vad gulligt. Lights off. Bye bye to flares. Look how pretty. We just arrived, to Osaka. I had to think for a second where we are. We have been in Osaka for 4 hours now. We checked in to the Airbnb, as you might have seen, and we had dinner and it's been amazing so far, right?
Super nice.
Overall, first impression of Osaka, because we've been to Tokyo before but not Osaka. Overall, very good.
Yeah. Like you guys in the camera don't understand how much we have been through.
Actually, no.
We've been through so much.
We have.
No space in the plane.
And with spaghetti bolognese. Okay, so this is the entrance, and that's the laundry. Better overview. When we get in, we have the bed there, or the sofa, facing nothing basically. We put our luggage here. There's a for children. Here's Jelle. Hello. This is pasta, what we like, I don't know. Fridge. This is the kitchen. This mysterious door leads to the bathroom, which is amazing because it has all the functions like the heating. Here we have the shower. Hello. It's a Japanese shower again. Jelle told me, so you can make a little bath here. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Steep.
Yes, very steep bedroom basically, which has 3 beds, well 4 if you count with that one. So yeah, this is our little apartment tour, much bigger than Seoul, which is nice.
You wanna do it? Is al die advertisement?
You can't smoke when? In general, 2025. Ah, the weather. Such a random.
Chicken bread.
Egg salad. It's exactly how I picture a sandwich with egg salad would taste. 7 out of 10. Okay, we're at the restaurant now and we met up with Emil and Alina. I took a curry and seafood, and you guys took, we have chicken, teriyaki, yeah, and braised pork.
I guess.
He's super happy with the decision. You can just stamp.
It is nice.
Ah, it's upside down, I think. There it is. Cute. Wow. Pretty.
Oh, there are monkeys here.
Really? I just see one. Cheese! Can I go here? It's yeah, I don't know what they call it.
No,
It's just like the
Sweet.
it's when you fry something, the edges of it basically.
it goes down there.
Who was trying to solve yellow fever? Yellow fever? There he is. A little temple. We have this little trail. Part 100 of Animal Planet.
Ah, it's off.
Yeah.
Me.
I had an oden with 3 items. I already ate one. I have sweet corn. And then Eline has some matcha. Really looking nice, right?
Worse than the one in Korea.
Worse than the one in Korea.
Korea was insane.
Yeah, but okay. Good morning. We're starting off the day at Universal Studios. Whee! We're a bit nervous about how many people there will be, since we know that the lines can be long. Both of us has been at Universal before, but it's our first time obviously in Osaka. And there you can see the castle! You can't see it, but it's a Harry Potter castle. Okay, so we passed security, right?
Yes.
We're going to be married. He doesn't know that yet. But we're going to be married.
Men gäller. Hello Kitty, let's go. A girl's best dream. Love, get me all. I want everything.
You get nothing.
I don't like the movie. I found it spooky when I watched it.
Oh my god, look at the Mario Cafe. How cute. Yeah. No, put it on. Let me see. Okay, look at that Mario Luigi. Yeah, we're entering Jurassic Park. Oh, that was Look how cool that is. Waterfall. Jelly in the middle. Let's go.
Line for food. Because
The Jurassic Park ride was super nice. Hi. It's so huge. It's like a little American city. Well, little. What did you think of the ride?
it was fun. There was a lot of dinos.
Yeah, there was a lot of dinos, and the drop in the end was also so steep. I wasn't expecting it.
They have a special park for all these things.
Look at these Japanese udon. Oh, so cute. Are they with little Snoopy? Oh my god, that's adorable. And now we're going to enter the Harry Potter world. Look, we're entering now. Oh my god, it's so cool with the fake snow.
First, I want to see everything. No, because I hate the
Look how beautiful it looks. Let's see how long the wait is.
110 minutes.
110 minutes, that's okay.
What do you decide?
Look how cool.
Hey, locked up.
They move in a highly erratic manner.
Only the sound of a kitchen.
Now we're inside.
Ghost 屋敷しもべ妖精君以外は誰も読まない
言葉ですけど、あの本はホグワーツの歴史書の決定版と言われているんです。
聞いてくれてありがとう話はこれにて終わり無事に戻る
Open her up.
Open her up.
Yeah, the fishy. The fishy.
It's a koi fish. Good, really beautiful.
How beautiful.